Welcome to term 2. I know this is a pretty different type of learning, which we normally said this is a distance learning. So I'm trying my best to see if I can cover a few things through YouTube. Guys, for the last topic, for those of you who haven't done the assessment, when the school reopens, we might complete our last topic. But as for now, for term 2, this is a topic that we will be focusing on. This is sequence and series. So when we come into term 2, this is the first thing that we will be doing. This is a new topic, and the two things you have to know in this topic is arithmetic series and geometric series. Okay, fresh start. Arithmetic series, guys, is to do with the addition and subtraction. Like I said, 4, 6, 8. What's the common difference? Common difference is plus 2. Can you see? Plus 2. So if it goes plus 2, so the next term, so this is term 1, term 2, term 3. The next term 4 will be 10 because 8 plus 2 is 10. Term 5 will be 12. So if it goes by plus 2, plus 2, plus 2, plus 2, or plus 3, plus 3, plus 3, plus 4, plus 4, or even minus 2, minus 2, by same common difference, okay, or minus 5, it is called arithmetic series. Okay, so now if I have to find term 6, so this is term 1, term 2, term 3, term 4, term 5, term 6. If I have to find term 6, that's the general formula that will always be given to you, term 6. And we know it's arithmetic series. So this is the general formula to find the term for arithmetic series. So the term 6. So I'm finding term 6. So T6, n becomes 6. A is my first term. My first term is 4 plus, and I'm finding term 6. So n is 6. 6 minus 1. And what's my common difference? Common difference is how many it goes up by. The common difference is 2. Which means times 2. D means 2 here. 4 plus 6 minus 1 is 5. And then 2. This 2 means times by 2. So 4 plus 5 2 is 10. 14. So my term 6 is 14. And plus 2 you get 14. So this is how you find the term. Okay. So based on this, the exercise on education perfect that I have given it to you, you might have to fill a table something like that. So if I give you a general equation here, where first term is 5, okay, plus n minus 1, 2. If we are using this formula, you are given this formula, and you have to fill this table. My term number is given, first term 1. So if my first term is 1, so this is 5 plus 1 minus 1, n is 1 times 2. So 5 plus 0 times 2. So 5 plus 0 is 0 times 2 is 0, 5 plus 0 is 5. So my first term is 5. Let's do the second term. Second term, as I said, this is the general formula that is given to me. Okay. So 5 plus, I'm finding my second term 2. So 2 minus 1 times 2. So 2 minus 1 is 1. 1 times 2 is 2. Plus 5 is 7. Okay. So in your education perfect, you have an exercise like that. Okay. So this is all to do with arithmetic. Okay. If you are drawing graphs of arithmetic series, they will be normally straight line graph. Okay, they will be straight, either going down or going up. Okay, so that's arithmetic series. The next half is geometric series, guys. Geometric, this goes up by in multiples. So we could say times half, times half, times half, or times by 2, times by 2, times by 2. Can you see the common ratio R? This time R is the ratio. And here is the common difference. D is common difference for arithmetic, common ratio is for geometric. So can you see this one here? 3, what's the connection between these ones here? 3 times 2 is 6. 6 times 2 is 12. So that means my common ratio is Tn is equals to Arn minus 1. Common ratio is, so A is the first term, just like this one here. A is the first term here, which is 3. This dot means times. R is the common ratio, which is 2. And n is the power, n minus 1. So this time we are finding term 5. If we're finding term 5, so term 5 is equals to 3 times 2. What's my n? N is 5. So 5 minus 1. So 3 times 2, 5 minus 1 is 4. You can do this in the calculator. 3 times 2 to the power of 4. So 3 times 2 to the power of 4 means 2 times 2 times 2 times 2, which is 16. And 16 times 3 is 48. So that's geometric series. Okay. And then in your education perfect, you might see some exercises like that. Okay. If I give you a general formula, we know it's 2 times 3 times 2 times 3 to the power of n minus 1. And we have to find the term number is given 1, 2, 3. And we have to find term value. So just apply, for example, if I'm finding term 1. So 2 times 3, what's my n? 1. So 1 minus 1 is, sorry, I have done number 2 here. If I do this one here, so Tn is equal to 2 times 3 n minus 1. So 2 times 3, term 2. 2 minus 1 is 1. So 3 to the power of 1 is 3 times 2. So it's 6. Okay, the next one, 3 minus 1 is 2. So 2 times 2 is the first term here, times 3 to the power of 2 is 9. 2 times 9 is 18. Okay, so if I have to do for 1, 1 minus 1 is 2 times 3 to the power 1 minus 1 is 0. So 2 times anything to the power of 0 is 1. So 2 times 1 is 2. So this will be 2. So basically, the example is also shown in Education Perfect. And lastly, geometric graphs will be more like a curve, like that, more like a curve. Okay, right? So yes, arithmetic is to do with plus and minus. Geometric is more to do with multiples.